Hello friends. Yesterday I came across a interesting point about procrastination, which I think it will be helpful for you people also. And I'll discuss about different perceptions of seeing the same thing differently, which will help us improve and become successful and happy. My version and my learnings, which will help you also, maybe at least a few. And I'll tell about vestige business also at the end. So regarding procrastination, normally we think procrastination is a bad thing. So one thing is, if you are not organized or if you are not interested in particular thing, if you are overburdened with many activities, or if you don't like particular as action or activity, we procrastinate or fear of doing that action, or laziness of doing that activity. So these all lead to procrastination. And if you are like if you have so many activities, if you are tired, you don't have enough sleep, then also you procrastinate. And if you are not interested in that particular job, particular activity, you'll procrastinate. So one thing is, organizing things will help. Prioritization, which are important, non-important, dividing things based on priority. It will help you to choose which to do first and which activity to do later. So that is one point most of the people might know about this. And discipline, regular systematic discipline and habits, it will help you to reduce the procrastination. And if you don't have proper sleep or energy, it will also lead to procrastination. You don't feel like doing, so you need a good sound sleep. You need to be healthy. You can use vestige supplements, and all the products will be very healthy. And a main interesting point, a new point, yesterday I came across about procrastination, which I found interesting, is when you procrastinate, you do that because you may not have the skills needed to do that activity. If all the above reasons what I mentioned are not there, but still you want to procrastinate thing, particular activity, it may be because you don't have the required skills or resources to do that activity, though you know that is important. So what I mean by that is, suppose you need to go and get groceries. You'll walk over, you will wear your clothes, you will wear the shoes, and you'll go and get. You don't feel any hesitation or difficulty, right? All the things, wearing clothes, walking, going to the shop and buying, paying the money, all these things are the skills. They are skills, right? You do something, you need some skill. So all these things are the skills which already you possess. So that's why you don't feel any uncomfortableness and you don't procrastinate. Of course, there is a need of it. So suppose you don't have the required skills, you don't feel like doing that activity. So maybe one of the main reason which I came understood is perception. Different perception I understood yesterday is from one of the big person who advises companies, CEOs, and all those people. It's like when you don't feel to do something, You have to find the people who can do that. That's what the successful people do. That's what he mentioned. I found it interesting. See, you know you need to do something, some activity. So if you don't have the skill, what you have to do? What do the successful people do? They find the people or the company who will do that activity for them, who will get the job done. Because you don't have those resources like any like so marketing, social media marketing. You are busy with your business. So you cannot sit and do social media marketing, right? You have to find a person or an agency to do that activity. So that's what he meant. Always everything you cannot do by yourself. You have to understand what you can do and what you cannot do, what you should do and what you should not do. It's very important. What are the activities which will help you build your business, help you give time freedom, don't make you stress, which will help you grow, maintain your relations with your clients and with your colleagues, everything. All these things are you have to do. These are the things you have to do. Like the example in digital marketing I mentioned, you cannot now start learning and do social media marketing by yourself, right? So you have to just find a person or an agency who can do best, and you have to promote your company or the product or the service. So that's what he mentioned. So when you are procrastinating, don't feel that I am not able to do. Maybe you should hire someone or get that job done by some other person. So that's an interesting point. See, Mukesh Ambani ji, he himself has not laid the Geo network towers, right, in across the India. He hired some engineers, he hired some people, he hired some agencies. Get that job done. Optic fiber, they are laying optic fiber across India. He himself cannot come and do, right. So he finds who does that job better. He will find. He has so many managers. Similarly, within our capacity, we have to find with whom we can get that job done. So that's the main point. When you are procrastinating, you can think of it. It's definitely a good point for the people who want to scale up, for the people who want to manage many things, who have to manage many things, and who want to grow. We have to understand this. It's very important. Even so, regarding perception, the way you look at things, it's also very important. For example, OYO rooms are there all over India. When that guy went to a particular city, he could not find a proper room or a proper hotel to stay. So he saw an opportunity there and established OYO rooms, hotels. Before going to a particular new area, you can just book OYO rooms. They maintain standards, same quality or security, all the standards. So it's easy for you. So he has seen an opportunity. That's a perception. So if we don't find a room, we don't think, we don't bother much. So these are points like different perceptions which will help you to grow. If my videos are for people who want to grow and become successful and become better only, for those only these points are useful. For people who are satisfied with what they are, it may not be much useful. That is one good point regarding perception. So we need to understand and learn to see things differently. Can we create any opportunity from a problem we face? Can we save time or money or create a new opportunity? So that is called perception. Your perception improves when you are able to understand other people much better, understand the circumstances, understand the environment around you, where you are living. So these all your common sense. So these all factors will improve your consciousness and your perception. Not all things are communicated with words. It's only 23%. The rest all communication is non-verbal. Even silence is a communication. The way you look, the tone you express when you speak. So these all things help you improve your perception. If you find my videos useful, please subscribe to my channel. Share to the people whom you feel they are useful, and share in your Facebook groups and WhatsApp groups, and watch my other videos. And regarding Vestige business, if you want to be a part of my team, my number will be in the description. Please contact me. If you are like-minded people, or if you want the products, you want to build the business of Vestige, so please contact me. Together we will grow. If you don't know about Vestige business, it can be done by anyone. It's a great business. It can be done by housewives, job holders, business people, any retired person, any student, any farmer, any beautician, any person above 18 years, from 7 countries currently operating company, you can do. There are wonderful products, day-to-day use products like cooking oil, paste, soap, floor cleaners, bathroom cleaners, everything. That is one general segment. Apart from that, health supplements are there, wonderful health supplements. They will protect your health. Definitely I know better, because I do work for healthcare. I am in the healthcare industry. I have been in the transcription field for several years, and I visit different doctors, RMPs, diagnostics, MBBS, MD, specialists, homeopathy. Everybody I visit every day. So I see doctors, I see hospitals, I see patients, their problems, the medicines they are using, the problems, the suffering they undergo. So the business involved in that definitely will not be dissatisfied by using Vestige products. They are of high quality only. Most of the medicines people are using are supplements only, but they don't know. They don't know how to see. I know. I am a pharmacy student, and in the transcription field and healthcare industry I have been for several years. So I know, understand. Definitely will be benefited. And apart from that, Vestige has Mist of Milan and Skin Formula 9 and Assure range, which will protect your health externally. Supplements clear your body internally. Assure range keep you healthy from externally, protect from pollution, from sun, from dust. Makeup Mist of Milan is a beauty range, excellent quality. They are halal certified, not tested on animals, chemicals free, parabens, sulfates, they are not there in these Mist of Milan products. All these products are made from international companies. So they are of high quality. Skin Formula 9 deals with dermatology problems, cosmetic problems, pigmentation, skin tightening, aging, pimples, all those things. So I cannot tell detailed. I'm just telling in brief. So if you want to know any particular product or particular condition like sugar or BP, any bones and joints problems or beauty products, you can contact me. My number will be in the description. Be a part of Prestige Business. Join me with my team. We can discuss what is the process to join. And farmers, they have wonderful products. Farmers, they are benefiting. I'm very happy to see the results, kind of results we are seeing out of Prestige Agri products. So Skin Formula 9 also, they are treatment based. I see many cosmetic, dermatology and beauty parlors and salons and spas for women. People are spending thousands and lakhs. So you'll get better products compared to those. No need to pay so much of money. I wonder seeing all those things which I cannot explain here. So definitely you'll become healthy externally, internally by using Prestige products, and you can generate 9 types of incomes. You can visit foreign trips every year twice. You can own your own car. You can own a house. You can generate passive income for 2 generations. So the plan is designed to make you happy. Like you don't have any health issues, you don't have financial issues, you'll get social recognition, you'll have a lot of time to enjoy the life. No need to toil 12 hours, 15 hours per day. You have a lot of job security, and once you become successful, you can generate a lot of income. There are people generating 100 rupees to 1 crore per month. A lot of income people are generating. That much potential is there. You can start initially part-time, get benefit of the products if you are busy. In your own business, you want to generate money also, you can learn about the industry and about the products, how to do the business, how to build teams. You'll develop a lot of self-confidence. You learn how to speak publicly, how to deal with people. So many things you will learn which are of worth lakhs of rupees. They are the major factors, deciding factors for you to become successful or not. There are so many things which are not taught in our school, right? So if you don't know these things, you cannot become successful in your job, you cannot grow in your business or job, you cannot be able to choose proper field. So for everyone, student or housewife, business people, farmers, any one of any cadre can do this business. That is the power. Company has strong management, great management, visionary. You can just bank on them. It's a great platform. Products quality is high, reasonable rate, wonderful schemes are there. You can get best quality products even at a fraction of price of the market price. If you use the schemes properly, you can get at a less cost than compared to market products of high quality. So if you want to know the details, just contact me. My number will be in the description. Subscribe to my channel, share the videos, watch my other videos. If you find them useful, share in your Facebook and WhatsApp groups. So I wish you all the best. Wish you health and wealth, time freedom, passive income, health, money. So wish you all the best. Bye bye.